Hello everyone. Hello, this is your girl Nelo and welcome to the streets of Africa with Nelo. Yes, guys, another story is up again, and this story is about a couple that were left in the church. I mean, the pastor refused to wed this couple because they were just 5 minutes late. You need to watch this video, guys. See how the woman is crying, begging the pastor, saying everything. But to me, I have, it's not as if it's the first time I'm seeing such or I'm hearing such, because they always warn them during these marriage courses. They do warn them that they should not be a minute late. They should not keep the pastors, the choir, and the choir people waiting. The ministers and all that waiting, because actually that Saturday is meant for them alone. It means that they are leaving all activities, everything they are doing, to come to church to wed them for their own good, and therefore they should not keep the ministers waiting. And these people were 5 minutes late. In fact, one of the days when I do makeup, and I do wedding makeup, yes, and those days in Abuja, you need to see. Okay, see the video here. Look at what transpired. Look at how the couple is crying. I mean, the woman in particular. Just take a look.
This is the bride. She's in tears. She's in tears. She's in tears because of what this pastor has done. Can you imagine what's happening? He's now begging the bride after doing what he did just now.
Actually, this reminds me of those days in Abuja when I do makeup for wedding people. There was even a time I was just on one bra, and the bride looked at the time and saw she was almost late. In fact, she ran away with only one bra designed. She ran away, was like, take me to church, take me to church. I know whom this Reverend Father is. I know what he's capable of doing. Just take me to church. And she ran. I was pursuing her while she ran into the car. In fact, inside the car, I was still trying to do the second eyebrow to make sure she's at least looking good. You can imagine that. And then after the service, after the church service, we completed the makeup. This is really, really ridiculous. Let me use that word. Just look at me, and there is nothing that delayed this woman if not makeup. So guys, what's your thoughts on this makeup? I know many of you guys who do not like makeup will say women and makeup, no more makeup, stop doing makeups and all that. I know, and I know when such people jam some people who are not into this makeup thing, they would leave you even if it's a second late. Even if you get to the church a second late. But when my brother wedded, actually he was so lucky. It was still in the Catholic church, and in fact they were almost 20 minutes late. I'm not saying that to encourage you anyway, but yeah, they were almost 20 minutes late, and they were lucky. It wasn't one of those pastors or one of those reverend fathers who do not take shit. They were lucky to have wedded, okay? So guys, let us try to adhere to the rules. They say during the marriage courses, they do tell them. And this couple, wow, this couple. So I still leave you with the video to enjoy your view. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like, share this video to everybody. And also stay tuned, because we may be talking about you someday. See you guys in our next video.
Or because he's Assistant Holy Spirit or something. God help us. Madam, go to your hair before you talk to anybody here. The pastor should do refund now. It's very, very simple. So this is the scene, this is the scene. That is the groom. That's the groom. I'm trying to get a shot of the groom because the couple came 3 minutes late. This is the member of the church that wanted to fight us. This is the member of the church that wanted to fight us. This man is trying to hold me so that I won't do video. He's a member of the church. Those are the members of the church that were trying to fight us. Nobody can fight us here because this is my fellow photographer. This is the photographer, Samuel Ifeanyi. He's the one that they wanted to fight. He's the one that wanted to fight. That's the church member. He's the one that's stepping into the church right now. This is the bride. She's in tears. She's in tears. She's in tears because of what this pastor has done. Can you imagine what's happening? He's now begging the bride after doing what he did just now. Man, I'm going to remove a hair that you put on your head since 2016 before you talk to me. Remove that hair that has been on your head for 4 years. Shift. Get out of my face. I can't even look at you. You want me to cry? What's that? Eh? Are you talking to me? You're talking to me. You ain't buying me phone. Right, the video there on. That's my face show. Face show down. Go do that man face, make me show. Mommy, say it again. Good.
You don't chop in white, you don't kill pastor anything.
Good.
In the name of religion.
This is a fraud. This is a fraud with the church. Right. What's that? Eh? Are you talking to me? You're talking to me. You ain't buying me phone. Right, the video there on.
That's my face show.
Face show down.
Go do that man face, make me show.
Mommy, say it again.
You don't chop in white.
Good.
You don't chop in white, you don't kill pastor anything.
Good.
In the name of religion.
This is a fraud. This is a fraud with the church. If you want to react this way,
This thing not funny.
This place is gone forever.
I'll take another shot of the pastor. What the situation is that the couple came 3 minutes late, and then the pastor decided to keep us here for almost 1 hour. After keeping us for 1 hour, he said they will not get married between They said they will not get married inside the church building, and they will get married in his office because he is Assistant Holy Spirit. He's the Assistant Holy Spirit, and he can decide wherever the altar should be. That's the couple. They are leaving the church premises now. This church, this is fulfilling World Foundation in Abloma, Port Harcourt, River State. You can see the scene. Can I say anything more? Okay, the video continues. One of the church members just tried to harass the sister of the groom. What am I doing? I shouldn't video. Now you buy me phone. You get this kind of phone? Record you very well.